Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord rear brake pads. First, let's talk about safety and preparation. Always work on a level surface and use sturdy jack stands to support your vehicle securely. Never rely solely on a jack. Gather all your tools beforehand, including a lug wrench, a C-clamp, and a 14mm wrench. Safety glasses are a must to protect your eyes from debris. Consulting your car's service manual for precise torque specifications is also highly recommended for a safe and successful job. Now, let's get to removing the old components. After safely lifting your Accord and removing the wheel, you'll see the brake caliper. Locate the two caliper guide bolts, usually 14mm, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor. It's crucial to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake hose, which could damage it. You can use a bungee cord or wire. Once the caliper is off, you can easily remove the worn brake pads and any old hardware. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and install the new hardware clips that usually come with your new pads. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool to push the piston fully back into the caliper. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully install the new brake pads, ensuring they sit correctly in the bracket. Finally, slide the caliper back over the rotor and reinsert the two guide bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque. You're almost done. Reinstall your wheel, tighten the lug nuts, and safely lower your Honda Accord. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This pushes the caliper piston out and seats the new pads against the rotor. Check your brake fluid reservoir. It might need a small top-off. Finally, perform a careful test drive following a proper bedding-in procedure. This involves several moderate stops from about 35 miles per hour to gently brake in the new pads and ensure optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.